Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 portable fold holder. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Adjustable Aluminum Alloy Notebook Tablet Stand. Specifications: brand name, Prechiamo. Material, aluminum alloy. Application, laptop. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is 360 degrees rotatable notebook tablet holder. Specifications: brand name, Gujadak. Material, aluminum alloy. Application, laptop. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected furniture computer stand. Specifications: brand name, Ellis. Material, aluminum alloy, plastic. Application, laptop. Shape, rectangular. Size, 42 by 26 centimeters. Folded, yes. Style, laptop desk. Type, school furniture. Specific use, computer desk. Origin, mainland China. Item number 2 is foldable laptop stand. Specifications: brand name, Yosoko. Material, aluminum alloy. Application, laptop. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have LS652 laptop stand. Specifications: brand name, Avaplus. Application, laptop. Color, silver, gray. Material, aluminum alloy plus silicone. Product style, folding. Bracket weight, 730G. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.